Thank you, Didier. Thanks for joining us. I know Smart Africa has a very important role. Actually, today I will have one very important question to you. Over the past decade, Africa has seen a remarkable momentum in digital transformation, touching everything from connectivity, financial inclusion, education, agriculture, health. So, reflecting on this journey, what role do you see artificial intelligence playing in Africa's next chapter? And why should organizations with AI ambitions engage with Smart Africa and its technology partners to drive the real impact?
Thank you very much for having me. I'm taking this interview from the Mobile World Congress Africa, where we have about 4,000 participants. So bear with me in case there is a bit of background noise. But I think you're asking a very important question. AI is fundamental for the continent, and it's not just the next chapter. It's not just about technology, right? But it's a transformation that is needed to address our respective challenges, the challenges of the continent. We've gone through the digital transformation for quite a long time now, and countries understand the importance of AI, of accelerating the digital transformation effort. And we see a few roles of AI in the continent. Number one, because it's accelerates the inclusive development. When you talk about the key sectors like agriculture, we talk about health, we talk about education, we talk about climate, we talk about public sector. All these services can be accelerated with AI. And by using it to respond to the specific need of the countries and the specific need of the continent. In health, for example, it can improve diagnostic capacity, triage, even drug discovery. It can support handling better some of the pandemic. In education, it can support personalizing learning, bridging this shortage of teachers that we have in the continent, but also support get a better education for remote communities. So for us, it's a must because it's also a driver of sovereignty and self-determination, because we believe a lot of models from other continents are good, but not good enough for the continent, for the African continent, because we have our own context, our own language, our own values, and it's important for our own sovereignty that AI is built with the continent in mind. And then lastly is because it's important for economic transformation, because there are new industries, it will shape employment in the future, not even in the future, in the present also, but also it will create new opportunities for our startups and for our SMEs, but also for our different sectors of the economy. Yeah, so those are my quick, this is why it's important for us and how we see the role of AI for the future of Africa.
Thank you. Thanks for this great answer. I'm totally agree with that, and the importance, as you mentioned, it's actually affecting every sector, every dimensions in Africa's journey. So I totally agree with that, and with your support, with your leadership as a Smart Africa team, I believe that this will increase the momentum and also the usage of penetration in Africa's journey. Thank you. Thanks for joining us. This great interview. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My pleasure. Thank you.